Some secrets are not buried in the ground. Some secrets are kept by the sea. For 95 years, a lighthouse stood watch over a stretch of cold northern water, and somewhere beneath its light, wedged between the rocks of a forgotten cove, a 1929 Supermarine S.6 Seaplane had been waiting. The aircraft that won the Schneider Trophy, the aircraft that held the world airspeed record, listed as missing since September 1929. A lighthouse keeper's daughter found it. A family that never stopped searching was finally called home. And after 95 years of silence, the restoration began.
Yes.
Easy now, bring her down slow.
All right, she's touching the forward cradle.
Hold steady on the tail.
The marine growth is lifting well here, but watch the water pressure near the cockpit.
Heavy corrosion throughout the aluminium structure. The original race finish completely gone. The float assembly corroded.
Okay, lift initiated. Steady as she go.
Clearance looks good on the starboard side. Keep it slow.
All right, release the forward fitting now.
Clear. It's loose.
Watch the starboard side, easy now.
The stress fracture here on the float is significant.
Yes, the readings confirm it's compromised. We'll need to reinforce this entire section.
This cylinder here is the worst of the 12.
The salt deposits have completely fused the valve gear.
We should prioritize ultra...
The crankshaft and connecting rod assembly salvageable with reconditioning. The cylinder blocks requiring new liners and valve gear. The supercharger unit requiring complete rebuild.
The key to a professional finish is in the surface preparation. Now we apply the first coat of this vibrant blue.
Easy now, watch the alignment on your side.
Clear here, coming up steady.
Okay, it's seated. Check the locks.
She's settling nicely.
Perfect waterline, just as designed. It's magnificent, absolutely magnificent.
We are profoundly grateful for this magnificent gift to the museum, Mr. Harrison.
It is my honor to ensure.
She flies beautifully, the promise is kept. It's time for the world to see her.
The museum is the right place. It is agreed.
Yes, agreed.
Watch the starboard float.
Clear on this side.
Tension looking good on the front straps. Look at the pontoons on that.
Yeah, it's magnificent in person.
All right, keep it steady. We're almost home.
Confirmed alignment on the starboard float.
Locks engaged. She's secure.